Today's video is all about the hash error explained and how to fix it. So this type of error message indicates that Google Sheets cannot read your formula or even guess what you're trying to do. I have 3 examples right here. For the first one, you have that equal sign, number 1, and a bunch of numbers. So what I actually tried to do here is to add a +1 into the set of values right here. But instead, it's giving me this error. Now, an easy fix for this would be to actually add an apostrophe. Let me go back to the beginning. So again, add the apostrophe, the plus sign, and the number 1. If we press enter, there we have it. We've successfully added those values to the set of numbers. Now, if you're trying to do this to a large set of data, instead of doing this one by one, what we can do is to select this range, then go to your keyboard and press Ctrl F. Go to this ellipsis right here where it will redirect you to your Find and Replace tab. Another way to do that would be to press the keys Ctrl and H and it will open the same thing. So for this one, we wanted to find the common denominator for these values, which would be the open parentheses. And then we're going to replace it again with the same thing. That's the apostrophe, plus sign, 1, space, and your open parentheses. If we select replace all right here, there we have it. We've added that +1 to all of our values right there. Click on done, and there you have it. For our next example, if we double click on this cell right here, it will show us that we have 2 functions which are separated with a lot of space right here, when in actually what we're trying to do here is to have the word total and the sum of this range right here within one cell. So instead of that, what we're going to do to fix this would be to put these in a string or turn this word or this value into a string. There we have it. Put a space, then join it with the ampersand symbol. If we press enter, there you have it. Or if that was a complete mistake, we can just delete everything right here. That would fix our formula. Press enter and have our text, which would be the word total, on the other cell. Let me just format that to the right, and there you have it. And for our last example, we have here again the hash error message. If we double click on this, you'll see that we have the same sum function, but at the end of this syntax, we have 2 quotation marks and a space in between. So that has no relevance to our function right here. So if we simply delete that and press enter, here we have the total for our range. So the hash error again just indicates that Google Sheets cannot read the formulas that you've entered into these cells, or it can simply understand what you're trying to do. So again, to fix that, all you have to do is to double check your formulas, your syntax, if they are correct, if maybe you've added something else that doesn't really need to be in that formula, and there you have it. So that's your hash error explained and how to fix it here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.